Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen the Geekbench 6.5 performance test being performed on a Debian Trixie system with the shared util governor policy and the default power profile being performance. Now I remember why this default power performance, there is only one option performance, because I had set the boot parameters with the CPU, this power profile to be at performance level only. So the default balance is not available here. So here you can see the power mode is balanced and power saver is there, but this is the default profile that is being we can say enforced, that is the performance profile. And what we are going to do is, now we are going to select the performance governor policy, apply it to the system. Now it is applied, and now what we will do is we will open the folder where the bin file of Geekbench 6.5 test is there. Open a terminal and start the test, and then we will compare the results with the earlier all tests that we have done for the Liquorix as well as the mainline kernel. Okay, so the test is completed. Let us check out the results. Okay, so here you can see the results in fact have decreased. So that is surprising, with both governor policy set at performance and the power profile also set to performance. It is very surprising. So let us check out what happened, how exactly the scores are dropped. You can check out the single performance score, the multi-core performance scores. So yes, here also you can see ray tracer, asset compression, the scores are dropped. Even the client score has dropped. So that's surprising. So we will just take a look at the older kernels. You can see the scores were better here. Better. And then the score started dropping when we tested the mainline kernel. So mainline kernel scores have dropped as compared to the Liquorix kernel. Liquorix kernel, the performance is better. I thought maybe the main kernel also will perform as good as Liquorix kernel, but no, Liquorix kernel, due to the low latency, maybe the scores are better. You can see here scores are better in Liquorix kernel, and the scores are as compared to all the Liquorix kernel tests, the scores are worst when we use the performance governor policy and performance default power profile as performance. So this is what we get during the test. These are the results, and that's it for today's video. We have completed all the performance tests using the different combinations of the power profile and the CPU profiles, governor profiles, the power profiles. Everything we are done. We have used the balance power profile, we have used the performance power profile, we have used the different governor profiles like on demand, user space, performance, and shade util. So 4-5 profiles for the governor we have checked out how it makes difference in the system performance, as well as the power profiles, performance, and your balanced. So both we have tested, and different permutation combination we have tested, and you have got the results on the screen for you. You check out all the videos and you will get a good grasp how the governor and the power profiles affect the system performance. So that's it for today's video, and maybe in later video we can try out the Xanmode kernel, how the Xanmode kernel performance scores are as compared to the Liquorix and your mainline kernel. So that will come in a later video. See you then. Bye bye.